Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious rock candy, step by step, right in your own kitchen. It's a fun and rewarding science experiment you can eat. First, gather your simple ingredients: sugar, water, and any flavoring you like. You'll also need a heat-safe pot, a clean glass jar, and some wooden skewers. Don't forget to prepare your skewers by dipping them in sugar to create tiny seed crystals for the rock candy to grow on. Next, let's create our supersaturated sugar solution. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water with 4 cups of granulated sugar. Gently heat this mixture, stirring continuously until all the sugar completely dissolves. It's important not to boil the solution, as this can hinder proper crystal formation. For a touch of color and flavor, add a few drops of food coloring and your chosen extract, like vanilla or peppermint, to the warm liquid. Now it's time to set up for the magic of crystal growth. Carefully pour your hot sugar solution into the clean glass jar. Take your prepared, sugar-coated skewer and gently suspend it into the solution, making sure it doesn't touch the bottom or sides of the jar. You can secure the skewer in place using a clothespin or a piece of tape across the jar's rim. Finally, place the jar in a quiet, undisturbed spot at room temperature. The most exciting part is waiting for your rock candy to grow. Allow the crystals to form undisturbed for about 5 to 7 days, or even longer if you desire larger crystals. You'll love watching the beautiful sugar crystals slowly enlarge on your skewer. Once they reach your desired size, carefully remove the skewer from the solution. Let your homemade rock candy dry completely on parchment paper for a few hours before enjoying your sweet, crystalline treat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.